Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your Steam store country or region and what you need to know before making the switch. We'll also cover the requirements Steam has for region changes, common issues users encounter during the process, and important limitations you should be aware of before updating your account settings. First, launch the Steam desktop application on your computer and sign in using your Steam account credentials if you're not already logged in. Once Steam opens, look at the row of navigation tabs near the top of the window and click on Store. This will take you away from your library and community pages and open the Steam Store homepage, where you can browse games, account-related store settings, and regional storefront options. Make sure the store page has fully loaded before moving on to the next step. Next, click on your account name in the top right corner of the Steam window. From the drop-down menu, select Account Details. This will take you to your Steam account settings page. On the Account Details page, scroll down until you find the Store and Purchase History section. Here, look for your current store country or region information. If Steam detects that you are currently located in a different country, you may see an option labeled Update Store Country. Click Update Store Country to continue. Steam will display a list of available countries and regions. Select the country where you are currently residing. After selecting the new country, Steam may ask you to make a purchase using a payment method issued in that country. This step is used to verify your location and confirm that the country change is legitimate. Enter the required billing information and complete the purchase if prompted. Once the transaction is successfully processed, Steam will update your store country and switch your account to the new regional storefront. If you do not see the option to change your country, make sure you are physically located in the new country and connected to a local internet connection. Steam generally requires your current location to match the country you are trying to select. Keep in mind that changing your store region solely to access lower prices or region-restricted content may violate Steam's policies. The country setting should reflect where you actually live or are currently residing. After the country change has been approved and processed, refresh the Steam store page by clicking around to another section and returning to the store, or simply close and restart the Steam client to ensure all regional settings are updated correctly. Once Steam reloads, check the prices shown on game pages and in your shopping cart. They should now appear in the local currency of your newly selected region instead of your previous one. You may also notice changes to featured games, promotions, payment methods, and region-specific content, as Steam will now display the storefront and offers available for that country. If the old currency or region is still showing, give Steam a few minutes to synchronize the changes and then restart the client again. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.